Well, it looks like we've got Gemini on our 24 Silverado 1500. Is this what that recent update was about? I don't know. Let's check this out. This is pretty awesome. We can, Gemini helps you take action. Gemini works with other services. Your data can improve Google AI. Let's go ahead and go, no thanks. So apparently we have to agree to everything in order to get that. So let me tell you that right up front. If you want to use Gemini, you will need to agree to everything. So it says speak naturally to find the best spots, control settings like your AC, and get more done, all hands free. Watch the 5 must know. We're going to go ahead and just go into use Gemini. I guess if that's what they're requiring us to do, then I want to use it. A lot of information on there. Hey Gemini. Useless. Hey Google. How do I use this new Gemini?
You are using it right now just by talking to me. You can ask me to play music, check the traffic, make a call, or look for restaurants and places to go. What can I help you find today?
Hey Google. What is the best resource for anything 3.0 Duramax diesel related?
The most popular and highly rated resources specific to the 3.0 liter Duramax are the online dedicated communities and dedicated media outlets, such as the Duramax news blog, the 3.0 Duramax Diesel podcast, and communities like the r/Duramax subreddit and the GM Trucks forums. Are you looking for information on a specific topic, like troubleshooting or performance upgrades?
I'm just a big fan of that DuramaxNews.com website, as well as that 3.0 Duramax podcast. That's awesome info. Thank you very much. All right, there we have it. Google and Gemini are happy to recommend Duramax News, 3.0 Duramax podcast. And while it took a little bit for it to really process and think about it, it actually is very good. I mean, if it was able to recognize that those were valuable resources. So go ahead and get your updates out there. If you don't know how to do updates on your truck, just go into the settings and click on over here. Then give it a minute. I am connected to my home Wi-Fi right now because I'm right in front of my house. We can scroll down to updates and then make sure you have the most current update on there, which I just recently updated on 6/19 and today is 6/21. So this came through right afterwards. You also need to update everything in your Play Store. So not only here, but you need to go back into the main screen and go into Play Store, which I thought was right there, but apparently it's not. Play Store is right there. And you need to go and update all of your programs inside there. Now, once you update all those apps in there, that's when Gemini will come through. So if you're hoping to get this, then check for updates and then go to your Google Play. Make sure you're connected to your home Wi-Fi for the quickest speed or whatever Wi-Fi you're able to do. Hopefully this was some valuable information for you.